Want to monitor injection pressure but don't have fancy equipment? All you need is a 3-way tap, 1mm syringe and your normal block stuff. Assemble as shown with 1mm of air in your syringe attached to the 3-way tap. The DIY model relies on Boyle's law. Pressure and volume are inversely related. As the injection pressure rises, the volume of gas in the 1mm syringe reduces. If the volume of gas in the syringe is halved, this means that the pressure is doubled from 1 atmosphere to 2. We know that to avoid nerve injury, a nice pressure to target is 15 psi. Conveniently, an increase of 1 atmosphere correlates to 14.7 psi, near enough the exact value you will find on a pressure monitoring device. Here we have nice low pressure flow. The gas bubble is very mildly compressed. Uh-oh, the injection pressure has risen. See how that bubble of air has reduced to half its original size? That indicates we should stop injecting. Follow the QR code for more information.